Well, if you look at the biggest sector of economy in the world, really is agriculture. And what is the connection between IPR and agriculture? It's enormous because the produce from agricultural production really are diversified in so many ways. And it is really the intellectual property that is responsible for this diversification. The demand for food in the last 10, 15 years has increased tremendously. And it will continue to increase for several reasons. One, population growth in developing countries is very alarming. You take a country where I was born in Uganda, is the fastest in the world in terms of population increase. And yet the production of food in that country has not increased so much. And the other thing, which is also very important people to have to understand, is that the climate change is also reducing the capacity and capability of this farming in developing countries. So the technology that is required to be able to increase production is very, very much necessary. And I would say it has to be the primary focus of people in the world to look at these issues and create technology. And of course, you can't create in technology without investments. And investments can all occur if their intellectual capacity is protected. One of the reasons why intellectual property rights has not been really well established in developing countries is because most of these countries don't have what I consider formal property systems, which has been well developed in developing countries. And without having a formal property systems, of which intellectual property right is part of it, it becomes very difficult for them to understand how important IPR is to developing countries. It is extremely important.